We all know that children thrive outside. Spending time in nature is essential for children's physical, mental, social, and even spiritual health and well-being. Playing in the dirt is not just fun, it helps children learn and build connection to place and the land.
But when it is hot, spending time outdoors may or may not be a safe choice. It all depends on the temperature, whether or not there is a breeze, and the features of your outdoor space. Is there good shade, for example, or access to a water feature? And of course, we have to consider local air quality conditions. Extreme heat is a health risk for everyone, but children are especially vulnerable. Their bodies are less efficient at regulating temperature. They are less able to recognize and communicate the early signs of heat stress. Children also tend to be more active, which increases their body temperature. So when it's very hot, it's very important to find ways to keep children cool while outdoors.
Here in Atlantic Canada, we haven't had to worry much about extreme heat, but with climate change, we've already had multiple heat waves. When it's hot like that, it's our priority to keep the children safe and comfortable, but we also want to make sure that we can get them outside.
We are fortunate enough to have a beautiful outdoor space. We like to plan most of our activities in the shaded area of the yard. We try to do a lot of calmer activities like reading books and crafts to keep the children from being overheated in the sun.
Those are great strategies. Shading is essential to protect children from heat and the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. By blocking direct sunlight, shade reduces the risk of overheating. Research shows that areas shaded by mature trees can be several degrees cooler than non-shaded areas.
Lots of childcare programs are putting up shade sails and other constructed shade, which are great options if you do not have trees. Constructed shade can be really useful over play structures or sandy areas where it's not possible to plant trees.
We notice that the surfaces that children play on matter a lot. Playing on dark pavement can quickly get hot.
You are right. Surfacing is important. Natural surfaces such as grass are the best option to keep children cooler. Pavement, asphalt, and other artificial surfaces like artificial turf absorb and store heat, becoming much hotter than the surrounding air. The heat in turn is emitted to people through radiant heat, contributing to discomfort and overheating.
So if your childcare program is upgrading its outdoor space, consider adding natural elements such as grass or wood chips. Natural surfaces keep things cool when it is hot. It also helps reduce flood risk because it allows rainwater to soak in.
As child care professionals, we are all about the children's health and well-being. There's a lot we could do with the outdoor spaces to keep them climate ready to keep children safe in extreme heat. The great thing about all this is planting trees and using natural surfaces while avoiding pavement in the heat will help children connect better with nature. It's a win-win.
We're the Canadian Partnership for Children's Health and the Environment, working with the Canadian Child Care Federation with the support of the Lawson Foundation. Learn more about protecting children during extreme heat events. Check out the Kipchi Child Care Checklist and Resource Hub.